Another extremely interesting grid-based coding interview question. So we're given an m by n integer matrix called matrix, and if an element in this is 0, we set the entire row and column to 0, and we must do this in place. So how would you solve this? So there are a number of approaches for this. We're going to utilize sets in our solution to solve this. So we need sets for the 0 position in the x-axis, and we also need to do the same for y. Next up, we're going to iterate through this entire board. So it's a double for loop. So I is initially less than matrix.length. This is the rows, and then we're going to loop through j, and because it's an m by n board, we need to loop through the columns here. So it's matrix at 0, j++. And if the value we're on is equal to a 0, we need to add the position of the x and y coordinates to their sets. So we add I to the x and we add j to the y set. Now that we have all the x and y coordinates of the 0 positions, we need to loop through the board again. And if the set contains either the I or j coordinates that we're currently on, we update the matrix at ij to 0. So if 0 position at x has I, or the same for y with j, then we update that position to 0. And that is one approach to solving this. Let's run our test cases.